Hello, my name's Joshua Weston. We decided to do our project on how different aspects of STEM majors and business contribute to the shift in a sustainable energy economy. So I study mechanical engineering, and the way mechanical engineers assist in this shift is through engineering of motion. So anything like cars, planes, those are all the domain of mechanical engineers. So what mechanical engineers are also looking at doing to make these technologies better is to improve batteries and how efficient batteries are, the weight of the battery, and to get a high energy density in a very small battery, so that way you can use something like an electric plane. Through innovations in materials as well, mechanical engineers are able to achieve all this, and currently it's already coming to fruition with things such as electric cars. It's just going to take more time to become successful.
Joiner, and in computer science we're going to look at the effects of data centers on the environment. Batteries are important because the powering the servers. Another important aspect is switching from spinning disk hard drives to solid state drives. They are more power efficient, they are space efficient, and it doesn't need a constant flow of power to keep the information. Another aspect is better cooling rigs, liquid versus air conditioning. The liquid doesn't take as much power, it is more efficient, and again, obviously not as loud. Having power sources at the data center, like renewable energy for solar, wind, geothermal, all of those can work, and of course, going to be really costly. But lastly, proper disposal of those computers when they are done, recycling them, reusing them, etc.
My name's David Toller, and my field of study is computer engineering. Environmental protection and electronics waste go hand in hand. No other industry produces as many toxic substances that usually end up rotting in landfills. The main substance that ends up being the worst is lead. Lead is used in most electronics distributed throughout the US in order to secure parts to circuit boards. The industry is currently very reliant on lead, but we can change that. Countries in the European Union have passed a directive called RoHS, Restriction of Hazardous Substances, that not only banned lead, but it also prevented the use of mercury, cadmium, and other toxic plastic compounds. Here in the US, the only place where such a ban exists is California, where they passed their very own version of this directive. If we were to implement a similar ban on a national level, the amount of harmful substances in our electronic waste would decrease exponentially.
And my field of study, bioengineering, and how can we use these bioengineering materials to protect our environment, where bioengineering allows the application of engineering design and technology by using living systems. Thus, bioengineering materials and campaign techniques are needed to reduce the human impact on the environment. In fact, biomaterials used in combination with traditional hydraulic or geotechnical engineering measures can improve mitigation, considerably reducing the overall cost and worst effect of the anthropogenic action. Exploring how the use of bioengineering materials and environmental hydraulic engineering can help us to combat the worst effect of climate change is an important issue. As an example, planets and plant material can be used for erosion control and slope protection to reduce risk events. Vegetation used for green roofs and walls is also an important bioengineering measures to protect buildings and for absorbing rainwater, containing air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, and extending roof life.
Hey, this is Tarun. My field is business. I'm going to talk about the business aspects in this field. So there are limitless opportunities in every field, So those who interest in the field should recognize the opportunity. This renewable industry is not only about electricity, but also about storage, conserving, and distribution. This means you don't have to invent new technology. You can also get involved in repairing, maintaining, or consulting. New entrepreneurs who interest in this field should think broadly and work on their area of expertise.